Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cisco Cloud Services, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing the Cisco Cloud Services website. Create an account if you do not have one. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the products section on the home page. Select Cisco Cloud Services from the drop-down menu. Choose the specific service you wish to install. Click on the Get Started button associated with that service. Review the system requirements listed on the installation page. Ensure your machine meets these requirements before proceeding. Download the installation package provided on the website. Locate the downloaded file in your system's download folder. Double-click on the installation package to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear during the installation. When prompted, accept the license agreement to continue. Select the destination folder for the installation files. If necessary, customize the installation settings according to your preferences. Once you have reviewed your selections, click Install to begin. Wait for the installation process to complete. You may see a progress bar indicating how much time is left. After the installation finishes, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Open the Cisco Cloud Services application from your desktop or Start menu. If prompted, log in using your Cisco account credentials. Familiarize yourself with the main dashboard and features of the application. Each service will have specific setup instructions, so refer to the user guide provided. Follow the setup wizard for the service you are installing. Complete any configuration settings as prompted. Finally, test the service to ensure it is running smoothly. You are now ready to start using Cisco Cloud Services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.